Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I have a Material World subscription box to share with you guys. So Material World is a subscription service that offers pre-owned designer clothing. You can go online and sign up for their monthly box. It is, I believe the price has actually gone up. I believe it's $29 a month now. You can pause it or stop it at any time. There's no problem with any of that. So you get, I think, 5 items in each box. You do fill out a style profile. Your stylist pulls items that are based on your likes and dislikes. So yeah, if you like high-end designer brands and you don't like high-end designer prices, this might be an option for you. I will leave a referral link in the description box below if you're interested in trying it. I'd love for you to do that. So yeah, I'm just going to get into it and go ahead and share with you what I received today. So it comes to you like this. You have a return mailer and all of your pricing information and some details about the items that you've received. The presentation is really nice. Everything is individually wrapped in plastic, so I do like that. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap all this stuff, and I'll be back in just a second to show it all to you. So when you sign up for Material World, you can opt to have them send you clothing and accessories if you'd like. And so this month, they have sent me a pair of sunglasses in this box, a pair of Ray-Bans. These are the gold framed aviators. And I totally had this exact same pair of sunglasses circa 1988 maybe. Yes, I did. I had these sunglasses. I worked a summer job at a little restaurant near my house and made this purchase. I think they were $75 in 1988, and then I lost them in the river, and I'm still pretty sad about that to this day. Yeah, so little Ray-Ban aviators. They are in good condition. There aren't any scratches. They were $99 though in this box, and I think that that's a little bit expensive for a pair of pre-owned sunglasses. I think new you can get them for like $137 now. They have made a huge comeback. They are back in again. Everything old is new again. So yeah, I'm not sad that they sent them to me. Kind of feeling a little highway to the danger zone right now. If you know what movie that soundtrack is from, then we could be friends. If you don't know what movie that soundtrack's from, then I could probably be your mom. The next item that I have is a blouse by Tory Burch. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It is 100% silk. It has like the little flutter sleeves and the ruffle around the neck. Let's see, this one is $92 for 100% silk. It has like a floral print design. I think that that's very pretty. The next thing that I have is a top by Alexander Wang in black. It is tangled up at the moment. It is a little, like a cold shoulder. It has the little strappies, the little, like, sits off the shoulder, the little sleeves. I have 2 or 3 tops that look almost identical to this. This one is $76. I do like it. I don't know that I need it because, like I said, I do have several that resemble this already. The next item that I have is a top by Intermix. This one is $80. This is like a little lacy, just a little long sleeve lacy t-shirt. I know already by looking at this that it's not going to be something that I would wear because I don't like to have to go find something to wear under it. So I probably could do it maybe under a blazer or something like that. That might not be a bad idea. I don't know, but we will see. We will give it a try. And the next thing that I have in my box is a pair of white AG jeans. These are $65 in the box, which is not a bad price for AG jeans. are like a cropped length. They are cuffed. We will give them a try and we will see what we think, and I'll be back in just a moment to show you what all these items look like on. So stick around. So here is the little Tory Burch top in 100% silk, little floral print. I absolutely love, love, love this top, but I am holding it like this because it won't button around me. So yeah, it's gonna have to be a no, but I'm so sad that it doesn't fit me. Like, it would have been so cute. Yeah, it's gonna have to be a no though. I wish it was just a little bit bigger, and that I could button it. This is the little black top by Alexander Wang. The little cold shoulder has the little fluttery sleeve detail in black. It's cute. I really do like it. I do, however, have several tops almost exactly like this, and I don't think that I need it, but I do like it. So yes, I put it on with the white skinnies, the little white AG jeans. They are a cropped length. I have a number. I have white skinnies already, so I don't think that I need them either. That's okay. They are super nice. I don't think that there's something that I need right now. So yeah, I do like it a lot though. I do like that the straps adjust. So one thing that I can say about Material World is that the clothing is always in excellent condition. The presentation is nice. There are no odors or anything like that with the clothing. It's all in excellent condition. The one thing about with the stylist on this particular box, I requested a pair of leather leopard print, either loafers or flats. So I don't really know how much attention they pay to what you say that you'd like to have. Or I don't know how, what kind of inventory that they have available, but that's one thing that I have noticed about them. But yeah, I'm not sad about it. It is a very nice top. So let's get the next one. Okay, so this is the little black lace top by Intermix. It was 80 bucks in this box, and it is so incredibly tight that I can hardly breathe. I had to get a cami to wear under it because you gotta wear something under it. And so I just pulled a little blazer on over it. It's not a bad look. I don't dislike the way that it looks. I just dislike the fact that it's not something I can just throw on and go, that I'm gonna have to layer in order to be able to wear. So it's not a functional piece for me, and it is so incredibly small. So yeah, this is a no for me as well, but that is okay. There are always other boxes. Okay, so final thoughts on this Material World box are, I thought everything was a little bit overpriced for pre-owned items. I don't mind spending that amount if they are items that work for me. I wish that the Tory Burch fit me. I would definitely keep that if it would button around me. So I'm a little bit sad about that. The Ray-Bans, I'm not upset about those at all. I like them a lot. The AG jeans, I don't need another pair of white jeans. I have white skinnies. I don't really need another pair. And the little lace shirt is just no for me. I do like this service. I will continue to go ahead and have them send me a box every month. I don't know that I'm going to be keeping anything from this box though, but that is okay, and we will try again next month. So thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support in doing that for me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really love for you to do that. It would mean the world to me. So until next time, bye.